Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically hide the taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to automatically hide the taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, right click. After click on personalize. After click on taskbar. And here option automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So slash to on position. That is. If you want to turn off, turn this, that is. And if you want to hide automatically taskbar in Windows 10 PC, so slash to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to automatically hide the taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.